See your backyard? Whoa! Ready, set, go!
They're like, something's different.
Something's different.
Backyard improvements, phase 2. Basenji's checking out the new rock.
What do you see,
Something's
Bill?
different.
Something's different.
And over here we got Zulu sniffing around.
What do you think, Sue? You checking it out? Yeah, you're getting a good sniff, huh?
He's got a piece of mulch.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Get him.
Come back here, you. Come back here, you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Go, go, go. Come on, let me see. What do you have? Look out! Go, 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 go! Oh man, I can see we're gonna have trouble keeping the rocks in place. Wow, nice jump, Zinj. All right. So our backyard improvements continue, and I think that the dogs will get used to the rocks, and we'll get used to picking them up and putting them back in their proper place. This is a bougainvillea plant right here, multicolor. So over the next few months, you're gonna see this thing bloom into something beautiful. All right, buddy, have a great night. We'll see you in the next video.